Namaste. Today I am going to talk about a very important astrological technique, Janma Nakshatra. Now many people are not aware that Janma Nakshatra is a very important indicator. Now Janma Nakshatra is a very important indicator because the birth nakshatra in which you are born will determine the course of your entire life. That is why they make you do the sankalpa. But suppose somebody asks me how is this month is going to be, now you have to take the Janma Nakshatra into consideration. If the Janma Nakshatra is okay, Janma Nakshatra is peaceful, Janma Nakshatra has a lot of income without much problem, then the entire month is going to become okay. So remember the first thumb rule, that is whenever your Janma Nakshatram is okay, that month is going to be okay. Now I know a friend of mine who was doing a lot of research in Dasha Bhukti. I told him this technique. If the Dasha is going to be good, then Janma Nakshatra will be very good. He was simply dumbfounded because every time he applied this particular rule, whether the Dasha is going to be good or not, he found that Janma Nakshatra was the time in which the people made money or very successful during the good Dashas. During the bad Dashas, the Janma Nakshatra becomes weak. There are many people who have a problem with their Janma Nakshatra if they are having a wrong Dasha Bhukti. Therefore, the first most important technique is the Janma Nakshatra. In that Janma Nakshatra, the most important thing one should learn is, that is, if the Janma Nakshatra is okay, that month is going to be okay. If the Janma Nakshatra is going to be okay, your entire month is not only okay, but also your Dasha Bhukti is okay. Also, after the Gochara is done, the Guru Gochara is done, the Saturn Gochara is done, see the next Janma Nakshatra. After the Gochara is over, please see the coming Janma Nakshatra or Janma month. You will see that if it is okay, the entire transit is going to get better. But if you are having continuously problem with the Janma Nakshatra, after the transit is over, after the Guru and Saturn transit is over, you are going to have a major problem. In fact, you can say to yourself, if you miss the 3 Janma Nakshatra continuously with lot of problem. For example, you have Revati in October you are fighting, Revati in November you are fighting, Revati in January you are fighting, it means you are going to have a fall in the entire year. So please be very careful after the transit of the Saturn and Jupiter. That particular Janma Nakshatra of the month will give you a lot of problem, or the good things will happen, then the entire Gochara will be good. The fourth most important application of the Janma Nakshatra is your Janma Nakshatra Janma Tithi. That is, during the month in which you are born, that particular Janma Nakshatra is supposed to be your birthday. If that is okay, the entire year will be okay. So these are the acupuncture point of the time. These are the stubo point of the time which many people do not understand. If you want to really understand astrology, apply in astrology, understand the principle of the Janma Nakshatra. If the Janma Nakshatra is positive, the entire month is positive. If the Janma Nakshatra in the transit and the Gochara is positive, the entire Gochara and transit is positive. And also the Janma Nakshatra is supposed to be very, very positive during the events. For example, you are getting married, you are having children. If that is going to be okay, your Janma Nakshatra, there will be a peak in the income, peak in the work, some kind of peak will happen. So this is the most important application of the Janma Nakshatra. So keep your Janma Nakshatra happy, keep your Janma Nakshatra going. That is why Adesh has launched a product for the people to do puja on their Janma Nakshatra. In fact, this is a technique which I have employed and found a lot of good results which are happening. If the Janma Nakshatra is bad, the entire month is going to have a problem. If the Janma Nakshatra is going to have problem in the Dasha Bhukti, that particular Dasha Bhukti is bad. If the Janma Nakshatra is going to have a problem, not only with Dasha Bhukti but also Gochara, you are going to have a real problem. And also, if the Janma Nakshatra 3 months continuously, you are having a lot of issue, your life is about to go down. You need to be very, very careful. And also the Janma Masa, Janma Tithi, Janma Nakshatra is very, very important. It is during that time the entire year course is reset. So make sure that you are very, very happy, clear, and if you can't, at least subscribe for a ritual which will help you to have a better time as far as your money and work and other areas is concerned. There are people who do not know the value of Janma Nakshatra. They tend to pick up a lot of fight and they tend to aggravate during the Janma Nakshatra. Then they have a lot of problem. I know one particular son and father is there. They have a lot of problem during the Janma Nakshatra. The boy is more than 38 years old. He is not married as a person. Therefore, Janma Nakshatra is very, very important. Whether you know the horoscope, whether you are able to see numerology, anything, but Janma Nakshatra will continuously create or ease out the problem with you. The second corollary in the Janma Nakshatra is very simple. Write down the Janma Nakshatra of your wife. Write down the Janma Nakshatra of your children. Something good will keep on happening in that particular day because that is the law of nature. Now, if those nakshatras are benefit to you continuously, you will have very good relationship with your wife and that of the spouse. If your Janma Nakshatra, if their Janma Nakshatra is having a problem with your Janma Nakshatra, you are going to have a very, very difficult married time. Therefore, the children, if they are going to study well, their Janma Nakshatra make them study, they will definitely do well. So, Janma Nakshatra for all your members, that is your wife, your children, your parents or your mother-in-law, father-in-law, write it down and check whether they are happy during the Janma Nakshatra. If they are happy during the Janma Nakshatra, life is going to be very, very easy across as a person. If they are going to have a problem in that Janma Nakshatra, the entire month will be problematic. Also, make sure that you celebrate the wife and the children's birthday, then only it will become better and better. Your married life will improve a lot. You will be able to get along well with people. There won't be any much of a problem with regard to your life. So write down all the Janma Nakshatra of your wife, children and you as a person and generally tick it. There will be a lot of good things which will happen. I taught this to a man who was doing marketing as a work. He found during the Janma Nakshatra his orders were peaking and the Janma Nakshatra of his wife was orders were peaking and the Janma Nakshatra of their children also was the order was peaking up across a person. So generally in a good time the orders will spike up in this particular profession and the order increases during the Janma Nakshatra. Make sure that you give puja or homam which will help you to open the divine guidance across. So
Hi everyone, என்னோட பேர் ஷியாம். நான் வந்து ஸ்ரீ கேபி கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் அவர்கள்ட்ட தான் நான் கைடன்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஸோ சார் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப நாளாகவே வந்து என்னோட கல்யாணத்துலேருந்து ஆரம்பித்து குழந்தை பிறக்கிறது இந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு ஏரியா ஆஃப் லைஃப், என்னோட கேரியர், பர்சனல் லைஃப், ப்ரொஃபஷனல் லைஃப்னு ஒவ்வொரு ஏரியாலையுமே எனக்கு கைடன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காரு. அவர் கொடுக்குற கைடன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா, நீங்கள் வந்து ஷார்ட்டாக அப்படியே நீங்கள் ஒரு மெடிக்கல் ப்ரிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனை எப்படி நீங்கள் வந்து கண்மூடித்தனமாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவீங்களோ அந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணலாம்.
என் பேர் நடராஜன். நான் இங்கே வந்து கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சார்கிட்ட தான் கைடன்ஸ் எடுத்துருக்கேன். நான் போன வருஷம்லாம் எப்படி இருந்தேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். இங்கே வந்து நான் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கேன். அவரோட கைடன்ஸால் தான் இப்போவும் இருக்குது. என்னோடய ஃபேமிலியும் நல்ல ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கேன். இப்போ இருக்கிறதுக்கு கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சாரோட கைட்லைன்ஸ் தான். தேங்க்யூ.
நமஸ்காரம் சார். என் பேர் ஸ்ரீனிவாசன். நான் கேபி கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சார்கிட்ட ஒர்க் பண்ணுறேன். அவர் கொடுத்த கைட்லைன்ஸால் நல்ல நிலமையில் இருக்கேன். ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருந்தேன். இப்போ நானும் என் ஃபேமிலியும் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது. நிம்மதியான லைஃப் நல்லா இருக்குது.
ஸோ எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து ஐ ஸ்ட்ராங்லி ரெக்கமெண்ட் கேபி கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சாரோட கைடன்ஸ். அவரோட கைடன்ஸை எடுத்துக்கோங்க, லைஃப்பில் கண்டிப்பாக க்ரோ ஆகலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
Let me recapitulate. Janma Nakshatra is important, and Janma Nakshatra will tell how the month is going to be, and Janma Dina Janma Nakshatra is going to tell how the year is going to be across for you as a person. And also you can lift the other people's life, provided you know their Janma Nakshatra, which will help you to align with them as a person. The second most important thing is Janma Nakshatra is what determines the Dasa Bhukti flow. Janma Nakshatra is the Gochara flow. Also you can determine using the Janma Nakshatra as a simple thumb principle. You can always say that that Janma Nakshatra of your wife is going to have a problem, then your marriage is going to have a problem. So please understand this and apply it. And these these nakshatras which are from the Saturn to 10th house and also the other areas will determine the extent of success you are going to have into your daily life. If people are going to have the problem with the Janma Nakshatra, the marriage is going to have a problem, the childbirth is having a problem, they will not be able to get along well with the person. So it is very, very important that you understand the Janma Nakshatra of each and individual, and also your individual. Thank you.